Okay, I've created a demo workspace for Keystroke. In this, we will connect first our source for release automation. I'll go to integrations, create a new connection, and here I've already forked their repo. Save it. So yeah, it will ask me to authorize it. Once it is in, now we can enable indexing on this particular repo. Here we will basically declare what all to include and what all to exclude for indexing. This will massively improve the quality of the output. So for this test, I'll just say 100 files, start indexing. So this indexing might take a couple of minutes for the first time. So we'll wait for this to get done. While we are waiting for it, you can go in the AI settings and look at the agent that we have just configured. And in this, we have just, this is like a common workspace agent. And this is the release agent. I've set the model to be 56 Luna, and all the mode of operation is suggest only. It will not directly publish it. And there are a few advanced settings. In addition to that, you can also set guidance in which you can have like custom prompts that the agents use to run your workflows. Already when you create an account, you get a lot of predefined intelligence in terms of how a release note should look, what are the best practices, how a technical English standard writing takes place. Everything is already handled, but in case you want your brand voice to reflect, you can add it as a guidance or a skill that the agent can pick up and use on top of your generations. So let's check if the indexing is done. It is still going on. Yeah, so the indexing is done. Now let's go and set a release automation. In this, I will just create a weekly keystroke release signal validation, and it will run on a schedule every Monday. By default, 7 days should be the look back because of weekly schedule, but for the first time, I'll just make it 30. Select the repository. For the drafting instructions, I will just add some more extra information that might be useful for this specific case, and by default the drafts can be new category, and create. So I'll run this manually for the first time. This again would take a couple of minutes, and once this is done running successfully, we'll start seeing the AI drafts of announcements, and let's wait for that to run. So it is still running. Yeah, it has started creating some drafts. In this, we can see that it has picked up on the use of custom MCP as agents tool, and since this is the first time it is running, it is like creating a lot of items in a single run. But ideally, when you're running it in a shorter schedule, it will just pick up on the high value items and show it to you. If we open it, it will have like basic explanation, and in this you can also automate for the agent to go and take screenshots of your application that you can configure in your integration, that we'll probably see later.